Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring power and preserving settings. First, charge the unit above 20% or plug it in. This prevents interruption. Next, back up critical items like SSID, password, and APN because a reset erases them. Once done, find the reset control, usually a pinhole or button near the SIM tray, and identify power and status LEDs so you can monitor progress. Make sure to have a paperclip or SIM tool ready. You'll use it immediately in the next step. You now perform the actual reset. Power the Pocket Wi-Fi on so the modem can complete a clean reboot cycle. Watch the LEDs. Then insert a tool into the reset pinhole and press firmly for about 8 to 15 seconds until LEDs flash or change pattern. That signals factory restore initiation. After releasing, do not interrupt power. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for the firmware to reload and networks to reinitialize. If prompted, follow on-screen web or app instructions to finalize basic settings. You finish by reconfiguring the device for use. Connect to the default SSID and password printed on the sticker, then open the admin page or app to set your SSID, password, and APN. Make sure to update firmware if an update is offered. This fixes known bugs. If you don't get signal, try the SIM in a phone to confirm service, recheck APN settings, and reset the SIM. If problems persist, contact your carrier, because the issue may be provisioning or SIM registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.